Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer consent banners using Cookiebot with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify account and navigate to your admin dashboard. In a new tab, open your Cookiebot account and log in. Now, in your Cookiebot dashboard, locate the Your Scripts tab on the left side menu. Click on your scripts to view your scripts. Find the script designated for your website and copy the entire script code to your clipboard. Return to your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Online Store. From there, select Themes to see your currently published theme. Click on Actions next to your theme and choose Edit Code. In the code editor, look for the theme.liquid file under the Layout section. Open the theme.liquid file to access the code. Scroll to the head section of the code, right before the closing /head tag. Paste the Cookiebot script code you copied earlier into this section. Once pasted, double-check to ensure there are no errors in the code. Next, save your changes by clicking the Save button in the top right corner. Now, go back to your Cookiebot dashboard. Navigate to the Consent Banners section in your Cookiebot settings. Customize the appearance and settings of your consent banner as needed. After customization, ensure that the settings reflect your website's compliance needs. Once satisfied, save your changes in Cookiebot. To verify if the banner appears correctly, visit your Shopify store in an incognito window. Check that the Cookiebot consent banner displays as intended. If everything looks good, you are successfully set up. In case of any issues, revisit both platforms to troubleshoot and congratulations, you have now transferred consent banners using Cookiebot with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.